In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FiveM not launching. So the first step is go to your search bar and then type in Windows Security, hit enter, and then select Virus and Threat Protections. So under Virus and Threat Protections, just click on Manage Settings underneath. And then in here, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. So you can see it when you scroll down, this one. So in here, click on the Add an Exclusions button. And then select if the one you're going to add is file or folder or etc. So we will be selecting the file. And then a new window will pop up, and then select FiveM from here and click on enter, and it will be added in your add-on exclusions. As you can see here, it's already added. Okay, so the second solution is open up the properties of your FiveM app. Just right click and then select the properties at the bottom. And then click on compatibility. And then as you can see here, click on the run compatibility troubleshooter. And it will detect some issues in here. So once done, select the troubleshoot program. And then add the program requires additional permissions. And then just click on test the program. There you go. And then hit next. And then save the settings. And then the issues will be fixed. Okay, so let's move on to the third solution. So in here, we need to turn on the game mode. So just go ahead and to your search bar again and then click on game mode. And then hit enter. There you go. So in here, make sure that the game mode is on. And then you will see here the graphics settings. Just go ahead and click that one. So if you can't see the FiveM in here, just add it there by clicking the Browse tab. So just find it in your file manager. So once you're done, just click on Enter, and then it will be added here. So click on the options under the FiveM app, and then select High Performance. There you go. So after this, FiveM should work. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.